Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. So in this opportunity, I will present about for English project, last English project, about country destination. And then my country destination is Singapore. Okay, who don't know Singapore? One of developed country in South in Asia. And you know situation of Singapore after World War II. Singapore was bad infrastructure and economy have a bad situation in Singapore because due to uh, Japan occupation. And then in this problem, in this bad situation, Singapore find a way for be a better country, and how to be a developed country, how to grow. So that's why I choose Singapore as a my country destination. Next. Okay. Location and geography. Singapore location is around of two country. It is Indonesia and Malaysia. So has a Singapore has a very small scale. In 720 until 736 kilometer. It's smaller than Jakarta. So I will show to you maps in Singapore. Wait. In Google Maps, Singapore in around Singapore there is Malaysia and Indonesia. As you can see, this is Malaysia Island and this Indonesia. There is Batam Island and the other. Singapore has a good airport. There is Singapore Changi Airport. This airport has a very beautiful buildings and good facility. Next, culture and people in Singapore. Singapore has a multicultural society. Singapore has so many culture in this country. And then for a language, Singapore has usually use four language in this daily life for the native of Singapore. There is Melayu as a national language, and then English, Mandarin, and the last is Tamil. And the last is intercultural harmony. And then Singapore has a famous landmarks. The first is Marina Bay Sands is hotel in Singapore. With a good buildings and good view. If you can see in the hotel, you can see a good view of the Singapore country. And then Marion Park. In the Marion Park is a sketches with a lion. And then the third is Garden by the Bay. In Singapore has a garden by the bay as a good space for traveling or healing for Singapore native, or maybe for you who's went to Singapore, went to Singapore. And then is Sentosa Island. Maybe I can say Sentosa Island is a beach in Singapore. And then Singapore has a food with a good taste. There is a chili crab with a chili, and then Hainanese chicken rice with rice, chicken, and then vegetables with a good taste. And the last is laksa. It's like uh, soto ayam maybe in Indonesia. Then the transportation. And then is transportation. Singapore has a very clean and efficient public transport in this country. There is easily for human, for native or travel for easy to travel around the city and maybe of the country. And then maybe for travel or native in Singapore, get easily for walk around the city, the country, and then the traveling space in the Singapore. Then why visit Singapore? Because Singapore is one of the developed country in Asia, Southeast Asia. Because Singapore is one of developed country in Southeast Asia with a good technology, good economy, and other yes, they have a good because and Singapore has a safe and clean environment. So the environment in Singapore very clean. There's no trash and the way not like Indonesia. Then Singapore has a modern city with advanced technology. In Singapore, the technology is very good. So you can maybe if you in Singapore you can see the technology in Singapore and many tourist attraction. And then Singapore has a great food and shopping experience. In Singapore you can shopping you can get a good experience when you want to shopping in Singapore. Maybe shopping in the mall or in the street. Then the conclusion, Singapore is a perfect destination if you want to travel the country in South Asia. You can choose Singapore for your destination. So Singapore also has a mix of culture, modern life, and good nature in this country. But Singapore is a small country, but he has big experience. He has good environment, good technology, and the other. So, if you want to visit Singapore, you can Singapore. Okay, maybe that's all for me. Okay. Maybe that's all for me for this presentation. Thank you. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.